Hello dears and welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel and in this video I'm going to show you how we can manage all the snapping with different apps in our desktop with Windows 11. But before we want to manage, let me show you the settings for snapping with Windows 11. So I'm going to use the shortcut which I'm going to hold this Windows key and I to open the settings of Windows 11. So with the system here we have this multitasking. So I'm going to click at that. So here with this multitasking you can find this snap windows. If it's not turned on, so here let me show you. If I want to snap this on my desktop, as you can see there is no snap available. But if I'm going to turn on this option, so as you can see we have this snap with this window which I can snap it on my desktop. So make sure this option is turned on with your Windows 11, and if you click here, so we have many more options available with the snap windows. Like we have this option, when I snap a window, show what I can snap next to it. Or here we have the next option, which is this show snap layouts when I hover over a Windows maximum button. Or you can have this option you can turn on like show snap layouts, that is the app is part of when I hover over the taskbar buttons. So here let me show you how we can manage. So you can see the options, you can change the options for snapping. Here I'm going to open this folder. Maybe you're going to use money window here and you want to manage it with only one desktop. So it's really so simple. So here we have this 1, 2. I'm going to hold Windows key and R to run this calculator with my Windows. And also I'm going to run one more, which is this Microsoft Edge browser. So now if I want to manage or I want to put it in order with the snap, so I need to put my cursor right here. And here we have different option for snapping. Like you have this two different, and if I want to use two app, so I'm going to click at this first one and I'm going to select my second app. So now we have two different here. And if I want to make something like this, is going to be a bigger than this one, which I'm going to click. Or if I want to make it this tree snapping in my desktop, so I can select this three different apps here, different window. And if I want to have this 4, so I'm going to click here. So with this one I'm going to select this calculator, and with this one I'm going to click this Microsoft Edge, and with this one I'm going to select this control panel. So now we have this 4 different window which is opened here with my desktop in Windows 11. So this is how you can manage all different applications under this snap. You can put your cursor and you can manage all different window here. So this is how you can use this snapping option with Windows 11. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.